Now let's start with our course content and start our journey. Let's start with reference collection of our main concept and learn hair anatomy or hair theory. Let's look at our main concept. This hairstyle is a combination of all hair types or all hair conditions. So with the help of this hairstyle, we can learn a lots of things in just single one course. So in this hairstyle, we can learn a high bun hair flow, long wavy hair types, techniques of volume, flow and negative space and all. We can also learn how to create hair braid workflow using cards. We can also learn hair dreadlock workflow and different type of hair clumps, different hair conditions of a different part of body like hair bun, hair braid, beard, mustaches, eyelashes, eyebrows and all. After this, we will work on our hair caps, how we can merge and blend our hairstyles and many more. Just stay with this course, guys. After this course and practice, you will able to create a high quality real-time hair professionally. So before we start our theoretical part, we will learn some important aspect of production. Like in games, your assets should work in a real-time environment in game engines like Unreal, Unity and all. So every character or assets must have to move, it has to run, it has to jump. So there are so many things that required to be a technically fit in real-time environment. Like how your assets work with the animators, how the rigging department will work with it, the game engine shaders or the LOD systems of game. LOD means level of design. We will discuss in details in this course. So there are so many things that comes into a picture when you are creating any assets that come into games. So you have to take these points into consideration before you create any game assets. So let's start with hair theory and understand the hair types, hair conditions and situation of a hair. So let the first most important thing to observe when you get your concept art, find out the gender of a character. This is very basic and very small thing, but it will help you to make a further decision because male and female has a different approach to follow. Like if we talk about female has soft, diligent characteristics of features. And on the other side, male has sharp, strong characteristic features. So before we start, just understand the basic characteristics of character and start collect a further reference images. As we know, real-time hair is complicated task, but few techniques are there to create real-time hair. Most of the industrial studios are following card-based approach, but every style has its unique techniques and way to create. But the most basic thing that always stay common is understanding them and divide into small steps and try to figure out why it's look like this, what is the type of this hair, and try to observe fundamentals of hairstyle features and characteristics of character. With the understanding of these basic things, you can create every hairstyle. It will help you in a long way to understand and replicate them in our game production. So guys, I'm going to share with you this PDF file so that you can manage and organize your reference images accordingly. This is a good format that I have followed. So just go to the description box and download the PDF file. After that, you can manage and arrange the reference images in a well manner. So this is very important in terms of collecting reference, organizing them, and if you have any questions, if you want to learn more, so just write down in the description, write down in the comment box. I will help you out. And if you want to learn more, so during my professional journey, I have collected so many courses, so many professional AAA courses, and I have stored in my bundle of Google Drive. So you can access all those courses, all those AAA courses, which help you to improve your skill. So let's grow together and create realistic characters for game production. So just go to the description and you can download the course and this PDF file. Thank you so much. Enjoy the journey. Enjoy the workflow. Be real passionate about your work. This is the only key of success. Okay, bye. Have fun.